solitaire and no card to play. Paper airplane so far away.
How we miss that love.
The words written on my hand are hard to say. Game of solitaire and no card to play. Paper airplane so far away.
I'm crying for your letters, looking all through the pictures. They're surviving the long way to get from me to you. Get to me, you're writing me a letter, looking for my heart to send you. I'll eat all in words. I'm writing my heart out for you.
Distant tower hour, unresistant hour, signals with consistent power. Eventually the shepherd must slaughter his sheep. The sky is ripped open and the water is deep. Somewhere else you're burning fire, you're tempting charms. I'm lost in the woods with no voice and empty arms. Admitting I'm stranded, committing my plan in 2 stories written by hand.
Play me again, your memory.
The hands of the clock on the wall are the enemy. I feel them on my throat. Girls are called Emily. Stillness is illness, your voice is the remedy.
Polaroid picture gonna find me.
The illusion is blinding, aches that remind me. Finally behind me, yesterday is in the fire. Drawing these words until my hand begins to tire. At war with now, desperately seeking then. Cursing my body and torturing a bleeding pen. Memories of your voice circling through rooms. Wondering where and imagining 2 moons. There's one for each of us. Anguish is my guiding grace. I keep all your lyrics